Ready to transform your kitchen into a sleek, modern masterpiece? Discover the secrets behind European kitchen cabinets that combine stunning design with unbeatable functionality. Let's dive in. Hello everybody, and welcome to your channel, HD Interiors. European kitchen cabinets are making waves in the world of interior design. Whether you're planning a kitchen renovation or just imagining your dream space, these cabinets offer the perfect mix of style and function that's hard to resist. Today, we're diving into why European kitchen cabinets have become a top choice for modern kitchens. We'll explore their sleek aesthetic, the high-quality materials they're made from, the smart functionality they offer, and how you can easily incorporate them into your own kitchen. Whether you're drawn to minimalist design or on the lookout for the latest in kitchen innovation, European cabinets have something special to offer. Let's get started on discovering the elegance of European kitchen cabinets. When you think of European kitchen cabinets, the first thing that comes to mind is their stunning simplicity. These cabinets are all about clean lines and a sleek, uncluttered look that brings a sense of calm to your kitchen. The design is often minimalistic, focusing on functionality without sacrificing style. One of the standout features is the use of neutral colors. Whites, grays, and natural wood tones dominate the palette, creating a timeless and elegant feel. But it's not just about playing it safe. European cabinets also offer the option to incorporate bold colors as accents, adding a personal touch that makes your kitchen unique. Another hallmark of European design is the handleless cabinet. By eliminating handles, these cabinets achieve a smooth, seamless look that's perfect for a modern kitchen. The absence of handles not only enhances the aesthetics but also makes cleaning easier, which is always a plus in a busy kitchen. The beauty of European kitchen cabinets lies in their ability to transform any kitchen into a sophisticated, contemporary space. Their refined design brings both beauty and practicality to the heart of your home. European kitchen cabinets are more than just a pretty face, they're built to last. The materials used in these cabinets are carefully selected to ensure durability, sustainability, and a high-end finish that stands the test of time. One of the most popular choices is natural wood. European designers often favor oak, walnut, and ash, not just for their strength, but for the rich, warm tones they bring to a kitchen. These woods can be left natural to showcase their grain or finished with a stain or lacquer for added protection and style. Lacquered finishes are another hallmark of European cabinetry. These glossy surfaces not only look sleek but also provide a layer of protection that keeps the cabinets looking new for years. The lacquer is applied in multiple layers, creating a durable finish that's resistant to scratches and stains, perfect for a space as busy as the kitchen. Beyond the materials themselves, the craftsmanship in European kitchen cabinets is second to none. Each cabinet is designed with precision, where even the smallest details are given careful attention. This focus on quality means that doors align perfectly, drawers glide smoothly, and every edge is flawlessly finished. Sustainability is also a key consideration. Many European manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly practices, using sustainably sourced wood and low VOC finishes. This not only makes the cabinets environmentally responsible, but also ensures a healthier indoor environment for your home. In European kitchen cabinets, every element, from the materials to the craftsmanship, is about delivering a product that combines beauty, durability, and sustainability. It's an investment in quality that pays off in both style and longevity. European kitchen cabinets aren't just about looking good, they're designed to work hard too. One of the standout features is their innovative approach to storage, making the most of every inch of space in your kitchen. Imagine opening a cabinet door to find deep pull-out shelves that glide effortlessly, bringing everything within easy reach. No more digging around in the back of a cupboard, these cabinets are designed to keep your kitchen organized and efficient. Drawers often come with customizable dividers, allowing you to neatly store utensils, spices, or even pots and pans, exactly how you want them. Soft close mechanisms are another feature that sets European cabinets apart. Every time you close a drawer or door, it does so gently, without a sound. This might seem like a small detail, but it adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine and prevents wear and tear on the cabinets over time. Then there's the integration of smart technology. Some European cabinets now come equipped with automated features, like motorized lift systems for overhead cabinets or LED lighting that turns on as you open a drawer. These innovations not only add convenience, but also enhance the overall user experience in the kitchen. Even the way these cabinets are installed reflects their commitment to functionality. Many European kitchens feature modular systems, allowing for flexible configurations that can be easily adapted or expanded over time. This means your kitchen can evolve with your needs, without requiring a complete overhaul. In European kitchen cabinets, functionality meets innovation to create a space that's as practical as it is beautiful. Every element is designed with the user in mind, making your kitchen not just a place to cook, but a space that truly works for you. European kitchen cabinets are versatile enough to fit into a wide range of kitchen styles, whether your space is modern, traditional, or something in between. The key is finding the right balance between their sleek design and the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. For a modern kitchen, European cabinets are a natural fit. Their clean lines and minimalist design blend seamlessly with contemporary elements like stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. If you want to add a touch of warmth to a modern kitchen, consider pairing glossy white cabinets with wood accents, perhaps a wooden island or open shelving. In a more traditional or rustic kitchen, European cabinets can still shine. Opt for natural wood finishes or matte colors that complement the warmth and texture of a traditional space. Adding classic elements like a farmhouse sink or vintage-inspired hardware can help bridge the gap between old and new, creating a kitchen that feels both timeless and fresh. Customization is another strength of European cabinets. Whether you're working with a small space or a large, open-plan kitchen, these cabinets can be tailored to meet your specific needs. You can choose from a variety of finishes, colors, and configurations, ensuring that the cabinets not only fit your space, but also reflect your personal style. If you're interested in a bold look, consider mixing and matching different finishes or colors within the same kitchen. For example, you might use dark, matte cabinets on the lower units and light, glossy ones above. This creates visual interest and can help define different zones within the kitchen, making the space feel more dynamic. Incorporating European kitchen cabinets into your home is about more than just following trends. It's about creating a kitchen that's functional, beautiful, and uniquely yours. With so many options available, you can design a space that perfectly suits your lifestyle and tastes. European kitchen cabinets combine style, quality, and innovation, making them an excellent choice for modern kitchens. Their sleek design, high-quality materials, and smart functionality can transform your kitchen into a space that's both beautiful and practical. Whether you're drawn to clean lines, rich wood textures, or innovative storage solutions, these cabinets add elegance and efficiency to your home. When upgrading your kitchen, consider European cabinets for a truly elevated design. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear how you plan to incorporate European design into your kitchen.